decided to film a foundation declutter. These are foundations that I just never ever used. They just were horrible for my oily skin. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Alright, so the first foundation I'm going to declutter is this one from Maybelline. I'm sorry if any of these are your favorites, but they just personally don't work for me. That doesn't mean they're a bad foundation. That's just a disclaimer I want to put out there. I have very oily skin, acne prone. This one I had very high hopes for. This is by Maybelline. This is like, what, a year old? And this was the Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Protective Makeup with Sunscreen. It has broad spectrum 50. This was supposed to be like a dupe for, what was it, the It Cosmetics one? Try that one too. I actually have reviews on both of these. They're amazing. Like, I use SPF all the time. This is full coverage. It says antioxidant enriched. So first of all, this color was not for me. As you can see, I picked it, I don't know. It says classic Ivory. Ivory you would think is really light, but you see is not. I got oily so much faster. It's insane. You know, if you have oily skin, if you try this, what do you think? Next foundation. This is a lot of people's favorites, okay? So, not mine. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and I have it in the regular version. I don't know if this is supposed to be matte, and then the dewy version. So two different ones that I reviewed on my channel. I reviewed them side by side. This was just horrible on me. Oh my god, the way it applied, I hated everything about it. I know it's a lot of people's favorites, but maybe you don't have my skin type. I know some people with oily skin like this, but not me. I had gotten these in the color, what was it? Soft Ivory. I would say oily skin stay away, but that's just me. I'm sure someone with oily skin loves that. This foundation from Koki. This is the Skin Perfect HD foundation. I think they have two different versions. I just really don't use this. Like I said, I don't know why for my skin it's very difficult for like a foundation to work for me because I'm extremely oily. When it comes to foundations, I do prefer high-end. That has to be like the only thing I prefer, high-end. But I love my Catrice, and my Catrice foundation is not high-end, and that's like my number one. And that is like, what, $8, $9? For Drugstore, Catrice has my heart. Alright, so yeah, this one by Koki, I don't know, I just don't use it at all. I don't even remember how it looked like because I just don't use it. Next I have this one from Revolution. Oh my god, this is so old. Revolution Makeup Seal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. As you see, a lot of my foundations usually are full coverage because that's what I love. So this I think was actually a really good foundation. I just think this is expired and old. I think I used it up. I think I really liked it. And I probably have a review on it. It was like 2 years ago. I probably finished it up and never bought it again because I review so many. No, I wouldn't say go check the review because it's like 2 years ago probably, and it's probably not that good quality, so, but that's up to you. I don't even know if I still have it on my channel. So I got this one. This one, I don't know, it looks terrible, really. This is by Femme Couture. This, I believe, where did I get this? Was this at Sally's? Or am I completely wrong? Where do they sell Femme Couture? I think so. This is the Get Flawless 8-in-1 foundation. I don't know. I don't have very good experience like getting makeup at Sally's. I just got it once, really. I never shopped there for makeup. It's usually like hair care. But I don't know. As you can see, I never used this stuff. I think I was going to review it, but I tried it out and I don't know what happened. This is a multitasking foundation with 8 great benefits that create flawless looking skin in one easy step. 97% oil free. Never used it. I don't think anybody even uses that. I don't know. And I have this one. I've had this for way too long. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. This is when I didn't even know how to pick like foundation shades. Not that now I'm perfect at it, but I'm much better than before. And I got this like in Fair Ivory. I am usually, well, it depends like the makeup brand, but I'm usually never Ivory. Never. So this is Fair Ivory. I'm sure this is like, even think this is my shade. Let me know if you've used this. What do you think? Just too old. I'm 100% that this is expired. Really looking all day shine control. Perfectly matte baby soft finish. It sounds amazing, but maybe if I were to review, it's just so old, I'm sure nobody even cares, or there's millions of reviews already on it. It's expired now. I have this one. This was like, I think this had to be a promo code or something, or did they sell the mini and I got it. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. This is a medium coverage and it has SPF 15. Sure, this is not even my shade. I really like that it came with a pump. I would have loved to like fill this. Like, look at that. That is super dark for me. I don't even know like if I should try to like clean this out and fill it like with something else. I don't really like to save like little bottles and stuff like that. You saw my empties video. I don't really like to do that. I don't know. Maybe like for traveling and it's glass so it's good. I never really tried it again after my review. I'm pretty sure I reviewed it. I hope I did. This is by CYO. This is the Long Lasting Life Proof Foundation. Didn't help me stay matte at all. Like, I was extremely oily. I had high hopes for it. It looks very nice. I'm sure if you're not super oily, you'll enjoy this so much. It's a beautiful foundation. And I blotted the foundation, just like came off. Really nice. It's really nice. It's just that it did not work for my oily skin. This one by Joa. This is the Joa Truly Yours Natural Finish Foundation Drop. No, I just bought it to review it. Didn't catch my attention. It just, I liked it when I used it. Probably broke up on my skin because of my oils. But yeah, and I don't even think this is the best color for me. This color is way off. I think this is more like a cool tone for what it looks like. But I really love the packaging. If I got this in Natural Ivory, it's because there wasn't a lot of shades for me to choose from. This is like what I thought would be best. Color doesn't match at all. This says inspired by K-Beauty. I don't know if I have more scattered somewhere else. So if you want to see the foundations that I do love and the ones that really work for me, I do have a foundation review playlist. If you would like to see, maybe you have super oily skin like me, you can leave a playlist in the description. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.